Hi, Daniel Parsons. Really excited to share with you why Vital Health is the best home based business available right now in North America, expanding into Central America and other parts of the Americas later in 2025. And in the future, there will be expansion over into Europe. I don't have any time on that. So, I want to quickly go on screen share and show you why I believe that Vital Health is the best opportunity, because I know every single day hundreds of thousands, millions of people are searching for ways to put more income into their family's budget because the cost of living is not going down. Here, I want to give my qualifications right off the bat. I've been working in the home business industry, specifically the wellness movement, since 2005. My career with a major airline in Seattle, Washington was over. All of a sudden, one night, they said, we're not having unionized workforce to do the positions that I was involved in for quite a few years. So I quickly started searching about how I could empower myself to make a living, and the wellness movement was already in full swing. So I'm thankful that I was able to jump in, and I had been with one company for 15 years. And then all of a sudden in June of this year, I was invited down to Hermosillo, Mexico to see this incredible movement that started after a businessman, his father had gotten incredible results and was sick, and went to Dr. Tony Rodriguez, who has established clinics all over Mexico, and the government in Mexico treats health in a different manner that the United States does. And so Dr. Rodriguez lost his mother and father before he turned 16 years old. So he was an orphan at 16 years old. And both of his parents admonished him, please, son, do something with your life. He took the bull by the horns and was studying to be a doctor, and then saw that, wow, the problems that people are having is all nutritional basis. I want to correct what I just said. Probably over 90+% of the problems that people experience in this life while we're walking on planet Earth are from nutritional deficiencies. And Dr. Rodriguez started, and he has a high level of education, doctorate in nutrition, medical herbalist, and he's also a naturopathic physician. So he has established medical clinics all over Mexico. And so these clinics, he uses homeopathic solutions. And so that's how this started, when a businessman that also is one of the co-owners of Vital Health asked Dr. Rodriguez, you need to take these products to United States and Canada, as well as to the world. And so Vital Health is a holistic wellness movement to better health. Vital Health is a company that specializes in the production of natural adaptogens with nanotechnology, and is committed to providing natural options for an optimal lifestyle. So adaptogens are there's 14 specific herbs and they break this down through nanotechnology to get microscopic, so it really gets into your gut and your bloodstream, and it goes in and it just looks, where is the body deficient. I have had an incredible result. You see all of the products in the banner image up here. I'm using almost every single one of those. There's a couple that I've not ordered yet, and I'm in the process of ordering the last couple of ones. I've had an incredible result. I'm in my late 60s now. I've got energy from just shortly before 6 when I wake up from a very deep sleep from some of the products that I'm using. And it's natural herbs. And so there's absolutely no harmful side effects from taking any one of these products. And so right here is a real good time. I need to interject both the FDA disclaimer, which is that these products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Please consult with your licensed medical provider for any of your health concerns. And so it's also a real good time for me to say about the rewards plan, because they use what's known as network marketing. So it's word of mouth. And why do companies that have the best impactful products use network marketing? It's the best solution for everybody. People need more income, and people start feeling better. They're naturally going to start talking about this. So Vital Health owners realize that they only need a small support staff to handle all of the people out in the field like me. And then that way they save on their cost, and they can pass on the savings that the company profit is higher, because employees can be very expensive. And so they pay on sales. And so it's much simpler system for them just to pay a commission on a product sell. And so I also want to make a disclaimer that we don't guarantee when you come into Vital Health that you're going to make any money. It just depends on how teachable you are, how much experience you are, and how much you are willing to just start conversations. That is the key. If you've never had success in direct sales, if you come in and plug into the every single day except for Sunday, they have some kind of training in Vital Health. I've never seen such a powerful system. They have everything here. I've been to the facilities in Mexico where they produce these products. I've toured the laboratories. They are so clean. They actually go in and they have a night crew that scrubs it down, and then they have management come in the morning before any one of the machines that produce these products starts. They do inspections for bacteria. So this is the real deal. I've seen the huge warehouse that's handling the massive growth. This company started off with just Mexico. There's one woman that was cleaning houses making $60 a week. And she started off into Vital Health because she had some health challenges. This woman now is no longer cleaning houses. As a matter of fact, she probably hires someone to clean her house because she's taking in anywhere from $20,000 to $25,000 a month in income. So that tells you right there that you don't have to be highly educated. So the other thing I want to share with you is that if you join our team, you will have a website just like this, thejoytolive.com. And so my username is Heal with Daniel. So I want to close with this. Watch the Vision of Vital Health Global, this 8-minute video on the left right here, and then watch the product overview, which is 14 and a half minutes on the right. Those two videos right there will show you what this company is all about. Now, here is the huge advantage. In Vital Health, they have this quantum bioelectric analyzer, which is Dr. Tony Rodriguez in a box. So you just plug your middle finger in like you're into a triage with your nurse when you go to a medical doctor in any clinic and they check your oxygen. Well, this is the same principle. This scanner will publish your results, what it finds inside of your body. Do you have toxins in your body? Do you have heavy metals? It also will tell you if you're deficient in any minerals, vitamins, enzymes. It will tell you the condition of all of your organs, including your liver, your kidneys, your heart, your lungs. Absolutely amazing. I was blown away by my scan because I've had two. So the scan told me that I had made improvements ever since I started taking the Vital Health products. So you can measure your products. I don't know any other wellness company out there that has anything like this. If you don't have a scanner, we'll just use the Ask Vital bot. And I'll teach you about that once you join our team. So revolutionary biometric scanner with AI technology, personalized insurance. So there you go. I want to go off of screen share now and to come back to you and just share this with you. I'm on a mission. I know many people are hurting. Many people don't feel well. Many people don't have the energy that I have, and it's natural energy. Okay. I go all the way till 10 o'clock at night. I read 15 minutes and I'm out until 6 o'clock in the morning. I love it. And then the next day I start using these products and I feel great again. My phone number, 360-383-0265. Bye.